In this video, we'll show you how to connect Outlook app to Beefree. Outlook app provides a similar interface and functionality to the web version of Outlook, but on your desktop, making it easy to bring all of your email accounts and calendars into one application. With our Outlook app connector, you can convert and download beautiful, high-performing emails created in Beefree into a format compatible with Outlook app. That means sending on-brand professional emails to your audience with better rendering and more consistent results. Here's how to connect Outlook app to Beefree. Before we export our email, let's hit the Edit Details icon in the top navigation bar. If you haven't already, make sure to add the subject of your email here along with a pre-header and any UTMs you plan to use. As part of the export process, Beefree will save this information, along with your email design, to a downloadable file that you can upload to Outlook. Okay, great. And when we're ready to export our email, we can hit the export button here in the top right corner of the builder. Next, click Push to your sending system, and then find Outlook app within the list of connectors. Next, let's select Connect. The Outlook app connector now lets you download two new email template file formats, OFT for Windows users and EML-TPL for Mac users. These file formats allow you to create a template in Outlook using your Beefree design. Let's select EML-TPL since we're using a MacBook. If the download doesn't start automatically, just click this link here. Once your template file download is complete, the Outlook desktop app should automatically open with your template. You can also open the template by double-clicking the file. Now, keep in mind that you will need an active Microsoft 365 subscription to fully utilize Outlook's email sending features. Now, with our email loaded up in Outlook app, you'll notice metadata, including your subject line, has been exported with your design. Great. Now, if we scroll down, our email is looking pretty good. However, let's say we want to make a few changes. Maybe we want to alter the positioning of an image or update some text. In Outlook, you have some ability to edit text and resize or delete images. However, the experience is clunky and extremely limited. Beefree also can't guarantee your designs will appear accurately upon sending if those edits take place in Outlook. That's why we strongly advise that you make any edits inside Beefree, especially for modifying design elements, tweaking the layout, or making multiple changes to the text and formatting of your email. Once you're happy with your changes, you can export your email again by downloading a new file to your desktop. This process ensures your changes are accurately rendered and saved in the latest version. It's important to remember that email providers display HTML code in different ways. This means an email might look one way in Outlook's desktop app and another way in other email marketing platforms. Because of this, we cannot guarantee that an email created in Beefree will appear identical in Outlook, as more complex designs might face rendering issues. However, we can assist you in achieving the best possible results. For more details on rendering in Outlook and best practices, we encourage you to check out our support article, which I've linked in the description below. Okay, that's all for this video. The Outlook app connector empowers you to take full control over the way emails are crafted and sent in Outlook, revolutionizing efficiency for you and your team while keeping your emails on brand and consistent. Thanks for watching.